If you want to go from this to this, then please keep on watching. For primer, I'm using Faces Canada Illuminating Primer, and I'm spreading it all over my face nicely to get a very thin layer of this primer all over my face. Next, for the foundation, here I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Tinted Serum Foundation in the shade Light Medium, and I'm smearing it all over my face. Next, I will blend it using a flat top kabuki brush to get a even coating on my face. You can even blend it with your fingers if you want. It's a very lightweight and very serum like watery foundation. It gives a very even tone to your skin. It doesn't cover lots of your dark spots, but does give a very even tone to your skin. Next, moving on to the concealer. For concealer, here I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 312 Amber, and I'm applying it all those places that I have darkness on my face. Next, I'm blending the concealer using the same brush that I used to blend foundation with. This is actually a very quick and easy makeup routine. You can use it, you can wear it whenever you want. Next, for highlighting, I'm using this PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Sand Beige, and here are all the places that I like to highlight with, which is the inner corner and outer corner of my eyes, between my brows, on the bridge of my nose, the sides of my cheekbone, and on my chin. And again, I'm blending this concealer using the same brush. Make sure to blend all your products very nicely so that you cannot see any harsh edges. Go back and forth on your product to make sure that it's nice and blended. Next, moving on to the blush. Here I'm using the Blue Heaven Powder Matte Lipstick, and I'm using this as a blush because this is the same lipstick that I will be using later in this video. I like sometimes kind of a monochrome look. It gives a nice flush of color. You can always use any of your cream lipsticks as your blush. It works beautiful. Next, I will be setting my face using this NYX compact powder. Make sure to set your face very nicely. Don't be afraid to put too much of powder on your face. You can always dust it off, but always set your face properly. Now, once the base is all nice and set, next we will move on to all the powder products. For powder blush, here I am using the Hot Mama from the Balm Cosmetics. I will apply it on my apples of the cheeks, on the temples, on the tip of my nose, a little bit on my chin as well, to give it an even and cohesive look. Next, for the bronzer, I'm using the Balm Cosmetics Bronzilla bronzer. Using the edge of this brush, I will apply it on the hollows of my cheeks, also on the double chin. I have a double chin, so I need to cut it off. A little bit on my forehead, and also I will use the same bronzer for contouring my nose. But for contouring your nose, always use a smaller brush. You can often also use a small eyeshadow brush. As you can see, these are the kind of brushes that you can use to contour your nose. It gives a beautiful shape to your nose, and your nose contour looks much more cleaner. Now, moving on to the eyes. First, I will be filling my eyebrows using this Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil. I don't remember the shade of this, but You can use any grayish brown, ash brown kind of a shade for your eyebrows. Don't go for a black eyebrows. Next, moving on to the eyes, I'm using this elf bite size palette. It's a very neutral palette. Taking the lightest brown shade on a very fluffy brush, I will apply it on the as a transition shade on my lid area. As you can see here, I'm nicely coating my brush and putting it all over my eyes. Always make sure that it's nice and blended. Next, taking the darker brown shade on a smaller brush, I will apply this on the outer edge of my eyes and I will blend it with the previous color using the same brush. Make sure that you don't see any harsh edges between the two shades. When you're applying this dark brown shade, flick it a bit outwards so that it gives a very pulled out look to your eyes. Next, using the same brush, I'm blending these two shades nicely. Next, using this shimmer shade, give it a very light wash of this shimmer shade to get a beautiful shine on the lids and to brighten up the inner corners of your eyes. I'm also applying here the same shimmer on the brow bone. Next, using an eyebrow brush, I'm picking up this black shade and I'm applying it on the outer half of my lid and I'm smoking it outwards and blending it with the darker brown shade that I have applied previously. Once you're happy with the pigment, next I'm moving on to the kajal, and here I'm tight lining my upper lid using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. It's very good. It's very basic and gives a very nice black pigment. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm using the Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Eyeliner. Once the eyeliner is nice and done, next moving on to the mascara, I'm using this Mars mascara. It's a very affordable and a very good mascara. You can definitely give it a try. Nicely coat your lashes. I usually go with one coat, but you can also go in with the second coat as well. But first let the first coat dry. Next, moving on to the lipsticks. Here I'm applying the Mars Edge of Designer lip liner. You can use any dark chocolate brown lip liner for this kind of a look. And please take your time while applying your lip liner because it gives a very nice definition to your lips and a very neat look to your makeup. So here you see I have nicely applied the lip liner. I have also shaded it a bit inwards on my lips to give it a nice ombre effect. Next, I'm using the same lipstick that I used for blush from the Powder Matte range and I'm dabbing it on my lips. It's a very nice warm orange brown burnt orange kind of a shade. I love this shade, it's very beautiful. Next, I'm applying this Seal the Deal Makeup Fixer. Now let your makeup fixer dry properly. Next, to complete the look, you can see here I'm applying a bindi to complete my look. And here you can see that the makeup is looking nice and fresh. You can wear it in daytime, you can also wear it in the night time with ethnic wear and also with the western wear. So here is the final look. I hope you all like it. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.